Welcome to LinkClassroom. In this video, we will show you how to log into the system as a teacher and create a class. Open a Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox browser and go to linkclassroom.com. On the home page, click on a Sign Up/Login button. You can click on As Teacher button to log in as a teacher. Like in most modern applications, you can log in with your email ID, and an OTP is sent to you for the first login. You can create a password and use it in subsequent logins, or use an OTP for every login. Enter the OTP you would have received in the registered mail ID. You can set up your own password and use it to log in further. When you enter LinkClassroom for the first time, you will see a big blank screen with a button named Create Class. A linked class mimics a normal physical class, which might consist of a teacher and many students. Like in a typical classroom, LinkClassroom also supports adding a class administrator and a co-faculty to the class. In addition to managing the class as a teacher, a co-faculty can attend and conduct a lecture along with the main teacher. You can then add students to the class. The students can join the class via two options. Either they get an email invitation with the student class code that they can use to join a class, or the teacher can simply press Copy Link to copy the information to the clipboard. They can then share it with the students using any other medium. Once you click the Finish button, you can see class tile created on your class tile dashboard, and you are all set to start a lecture of that class. Happy teaching!